Today we're going to be making this adorable owl craft, starting with a paper lunch bag. Go ahead and grab your supplies now. Now that you have downloaded and printed the template, you can go ahead and use it to make your owl craft. So we went ahead and printed our straight onto construction paper. You can use whatever color you want for this. We're using gray, and you can also just use it as a template. So you can print it onto regular paper, and that especially works well if you're going to cut out several copies, though just keep in mind that you're not going to have the face if you print it onto and then cut out onto construction paper. So let's go ahead and start cutting. There's two on here. You can cut them both out and use one to finish off the back of the head if you want later, but that is completely optional. We're just going to cut out one for today. And let's go ahead and speed up the film while I do the cutting. Now, since I don't want the heart to be gray, I'm just going to cut it out separate, and then we're going to put it over a piece of scrap paper. We're going to do the same thing with the owl's feet, which we're going to make yellow. Alright, now we have all of our pieces ready to make our owl. The next thing I'd like to do is decorate the pieces just a little bit. So we have the body here, that's our paper bag, and the face and the wings, and I just want to add a little bit of detail using my crayons. So let's give them some nice rosy cheeks. And you can be as creative as you want with this, or you can completely skip this step altogether. Now we're ready to start putting it together. We don't need the head and the heart yet, but we're going to work with the wings and the little feet. And let's go ahead and turn our bag over to the back side and grab our glue stick. First, let's do the feet. So we know we want that to poke out there. And we'll put nice and wide apart. Give it a nice little press so that the glue really grabs hold. Okay. Now the wings, we want to make sure they're seeing that part, so we're going to glue the part that we haven't colored on to the back of the bag, right about there, right about the center of the bag. Now we're making this so that if you were to look at the back, we can finish the back off if we want to. It's not essential, and that it will look nice and clean. This purple will dry clear, so we don't need to worry about that. Press nice, and we're all done with that. Next step is to fill our sandwich bag. I'm just going to grab some newspaper that I had around the house and tear it into some strips. Crumple up the strips. So that is plenty in the bag. You want to leave a couple of inches at the top so that we can close it up. So we're going to need our Scotch tape for this. And we'll take the top of our bag and really just gather it together just like that. Let's take a piece of Scotch tape and wrap it around. It's a nice big long piece of tape. There we go. You can fluff out the body of your owl a little bit there. And now we're going to take the owl's head and we're going to put that in place right here. So it needs to be taped on the back. Again, we'll use a couple nice pieces of tape for this. And double check that I have it in the right place. I like to have it a little bit low so he looks, chubby little owl there. If you want to, you can cut out a second piece of the same shape of the head and just glue it right in place right over there, and that'll finish off the back of your owl. So right now, oh my goodness, he's looking so cute, so cute. Last thing we need to do is pull the wings around and connect them to the heart that he's going to be holding. So let's grab our glue stick again. Just put a little bit of glue on each side of the heart so he can grab a hold of it. Just like that. So he's going to grab here. Nice. And here. Press nice and firm so the glue takes hold. And there is our adorable owl craft.